Profesora, en esta ocasión voy a presentar lo que es el trabajo de la semana 3. Mi nombre es Omar Melchor Arotinco Gaudia. Este, Hi, how are you? I'm at home because I'm sick and I can't go to your birthday party. Are you at the party now? Hi, yes, I am at the party right now. It's real fun and there are many people here. Oh, that's great. I'm real sad because I am not there who is at the part. Johan is here of course and our friends Carlos, Maria, Lucia and Pedro at are here too. There are also some of Johan's classmates. Nice. What are they doing now? They are dancing, talking, and laughing. Johan is opening his present and smiles a lot. Some people are playing music and others are taking photos. That sounds fun, are they? I think something. Yes, they are. They are eating cake, pizza, and snacks. The cakes looks real good. Are they drinking something too? Yes, they are drinking soda and juice. Some people are not drinking any anything right now because they are dancing. Ha ha. I understand why are they wearing. They are wearing casual clothes. Joan is wearing a blue shirt and black jeans, and he looks very happy. Maria is wearing a red dress and white shoes. Carlos is wearing a t-shirt and shorts. And what are you doing right now? Right now I'm talking to you and watching everyone. I'm not dancing at their moment, but I am done to dance later. Are people enjoying the party? Yes, everyone is having a great time. They are smiling, dancing, and talking with each other. Takes nice he with who was there with you. Don't worry, you can come in next time. Now you need to reach and feel better. Yes, you're ringing. Thank you for calling me and telling me everything. You're welcome. Get well soon and take care.